Hey guys, welcome back to another Bald Guy Style video. My name is Brian. If it's your first time here, hey, welcome. Check out some of the videos at the end suggested just for you. But if you've been here before, click that subscribe button and here we go. So I make all sorts of videos to help you kick some class with technology in education and beyond. But this one's a little bit different. I bought a gaming mouse and keyboard sitting right here in front of me. It's these Red Dragon ones. They were like $40 for the whole set. You can get the mouse for just about $20. And it's not because I game in my off time.
The lie detector test determined that was a lie.
Well, I don't game on this computer. But anyway, the gaming mouse has some functionality that you can use to dramatically improve your workflow, speed up things, and save time so you can get doing those things that matter to you when you're not teaching. So, let's go. All right, guys, so first of all, if you are on a PC, this is probably going to be free for you. I'll put a link to some other things down in the description that will help you. If you're on a Mac, I'm using a program called Steer Mouse. I paid the $20 for it. There might be some free alternatives, but these are really designed gaming keyboard and mice for PC users. Since I had a Mac, I kicked in the extra $20 for the software to do this, and I will not look back. It is awesome. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be programming these side buttons right here to add functionality in specific applications. So I'm opening up Zoom here on my computer, and I'll walk you through how you can figure out what you want to put on these buttons and why it can dramatically make things faster. So for this, I'll be using Steer Mouse. It is plentycom.jp. Just type in Steer Mouse. That's for on a Mac. But if you're on a PC, you can go to X Mouse button control, and it'll give you some of the same things on a PC as well. So for Steer Mouse, you just download it. The difference is for PC, it's going to be free. On a Mac, this is $20, and once I get into it, I realize totally well worth the $20, once in a lifetime, to get this functionality and save me some time. So here we go. I'm over to Zoom. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to my preferences, and I'm going to find the keyboard shortcuts. So down on the keyboard shortcuts, if you're a teacher or a presenter, there are two right here that you might want to be aware of: mute and unmute. So Shift Command A on a Mac, mute audio for everyone, which is Control Command M to mute everyone but yourself. Those two, super important. I'm going to set this over here to the side, and that way when I'm teaching, I can quickly mute everybody and unmute myself with these side buttons on the mouse. So these are buttons 4 and 5. Now right now in Steer Mouse, I'll have this set up to default. So I'm going to click Edit, and I want to add another program. So I'm going to hit plus, and that program or that app that I want to create this for is going to be Zoom. So I'm going to hit choose, and now I have a Zoom configuration for my mouse. Okay, so I'm up in Zoom. I might change this one, the middle button as well. But so button 4, okay, that one, I want to turn that into a keyboard shortcut. And I'm going to hit Shift Command A. Okay, so that'll be my mute myself. And then this button I'm going to turn into a keyboard shortcut. And I'm going to say that is going to be Control Command M, and hit OK. Now as I look down through this, temporarily hold space key to temporarily unmute. I think that's what I want my middle button or pressing down on my wheel to be. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say I want this to be a keyboard shortcut, and I want it to be space bar. So now if I'm in a meeting and I want to temporarily unmute myself, I hold down my wheel and I temporarily unmute myself and talk. But if I want to mute everybody and then talk, turn my audio on and off for an extended period of time, I have those 3 other buttons that I can use to do that. So I hope you found that tutorial was helpful and it's going to help you kick some class. And I'm curious, what are you going to use your gaming mouse for? What program are you going to speed things up, and how? What did you map to it? Now I have another video that it's coming out shortly, so keep your eye out for that on all of the different programs that I have mapped to my mouse and how it's changing things. So keep your eye out for that. Click that subscribe button, share this with somebody that you think could benefit, and we'll catch you next time.